Thela style pav bhaji in the Kanchan's kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome to the Kanchan's kitchen. Pav bhaji is a dish that is liked by everyone. To know how to make Mumbai style pav bhaji at home, watch the video till the end. Also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and select all to be notified every time we upload a new recipe because the recipes here are easy and tasty. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare the pav bhaji, let's take 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, some French beans, some cauliflower, some cabbage, chop them. Let's put all these vegetables in a cooker one by one. I have also taken some peas with it. Now add 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon salt. Lid the cooker and pressure cook it on high flame for up to 3 whistles. Till then, let's grind 4 tomatoes, 2 onions and 2 green chillies together. Also chop 2 capsicums. As you can see, after 3 whistles, the vegetables have cooked nicely. So now strain out the water from the vegetables. We will use this water in further process, so let's keep it aside. Mash all the vegetables with the help of masher. Now take another heavy bottom pan. Put 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in it. Once the butter melts and the oil gets hot, add the ground onions and chilli paste. When the onion slightly changes its color, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. After 15 to 20 seconds, add these chopped capsicums and mix it. Then on low flame, add half teaspoon salt and cook. Adding salt will prevent the onions from sticking to the base, and even if it does get stuck like mine, these would come out easily. Let's cover and cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. When the onions turn brown like this, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon pav bhaji masala. Once the spices are mixed, add this tomato puree, 1 teaspoon salt and cook it. Now cover and cook it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes so that the tomatoes cook well. After 3 minutes, you can see the oil has separated. Mix it and add the mashed vegetables we had prepared. Now on high flame, add 1 more tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. Adding it again will enhance the taste. Add some coriander leaves and the water that we had kept aside. Now in the end, let's add 2 tablespoons of goda masala, which is used in roadside pav bhaji. I have shared the link of this masala in the description. If you wish, you can skip it, but adding it will give a good flavor to the bhaji. Now add more 1/4 cup of water. On a low flame, put 1 tablespoon butter. Cover it and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the oil has come out a little. So let's cover it again and cook it for more 1 minute. See, it looks so good. So let's turn off the flame and serve it after 5 minutes. Till then, let's prepare the Thela style pav. Let's heat the pan and cut the pav like this from the center. On a hot pan, put half tablespoon butter and spread it. Then on low flame, put a pinch of Kashmiri red chilli powder, a pinch of Pav bhaji masala, some coriander leaves and mix it. Now place the pav over it, put some butter and toss and turn the pav and press it like this. Slice the pav like this and you can put some butter and Kashmiri chilli powder mix on it. Our pav bhaji is now ready to serve. Let's serve it in a bowl. And to give it a Thela style twist, I have mixed 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder in 1 tablespoon melted butter. Now we'll pour it over it. I had poured the same masala on the pav and garnish it with coriander leaves. With this, today's recipe is complete. Hope you like today's recipe. If yes, then don't forget to like, comment and share. If you're new, then do subscribe, because in the Kanchan's Kitchen we just don't share recipes, we also share happiness and love. Thank you for watching till the end.